Hi, my name is Darshan. I'm an architect and a writer. A lot of the inspiration for my works is through the books I read and the experiences through my travel. My goal in or through architecture is about connecting communities and in a much more larger perspective, like connecting people through the language of architecture. Through my works, I try to maintain a kind of neo-vernacular modernism through the buildings that I design. And in a broader scale, I also always try to maintain the kind of sense that communities have, that root it down to where it belongs, and the kind of identity that each city or town possesses when it even grows into bigger conglomerates. The competition organized by Archeol was one of the very first competitions that I took part as a writer. I was really even surprised to even crack top 50, and I was kind of very elated to be selected as one of the winners. As good as it looks on the surface, intense amounts of research is actually required to come up with an article such as this. For me personally, the topic selected should be something that I believe in, so that there is more flow to the article that is being written. Luckily, we were fortunate enough to come across a topic such as this, which is quite fascinating, through our brainstorming sessions. The best part, I believe, about this content is its relevance to the current scenario in India as well. There is a lot that we can take away from the history that is there present in the Indian culture and how it can be put to good use in the current scenario. So like I said, we came across this topic through our brainstorming sessions. Those were pretty brilliant actually, I think, because of the freedom we three had to discuss ideas, because my two teammates, Roshni and Arun, were seniors of mine in architecture college. So that's how we came across this topic, and I'm really very annoyed with the fact that this topic, a topic so fascinating such as this, is not involved in curriculums that are there in architecture colleges, maybe because of its sensitivity, but its relevance to or in the current scenario is what makes it such a good topic. How the idea of coexistence of cultures could be implemented is by doing things in or through a sensible approach, by having sensitivity of feelings towards human values, and just by applying logic while designing or spreading an idea. And also how architecture or the language of architecture can transcend through boundaries set by religions or cultures, and could be sort of like a movement that could unite people.